we start, let me introduce my team. My name is Bagas, as speaker 1, Ivan as speaker 2, Ibnu as speaker 3, Azabi as speaker 4, and the last speaker is Angga as speaker 5. We would also like to greet our honorable teacher, Mr. Karta Atmaja. Today, we would like to present a biography of Isaac Newton, one of the greatest scientists in history. Isaac Newton is famous for his discoveries in physics, mathematics, and astronomy. His ideas changed the way people understand the universe and natural laws. In this presentation, we will talk about his early life, his discoveries, and his achievements. Now, I will give the time to the next speaker.
Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643 in Woolsthorpe, England. He grew up in a farming family and spent much of his childhood in the countryside. When he was a child, Newton was very curious and liked to observe things around him. He enjoyed building small mechanical tools and experimenting with different objects. His curiosity helped him develop an interest in science and mathematics. Later, he studied at the University of Cambridge. At the university, he focused on mathematics, physics, and astronomy. During this time, he began developing many ideas that later became very important in science.
Isaac Newton made many important discoveries in science. One of his most famous discoveries is the law of gravity. According to the story, Newton became interested in gravity after seeing an apple fall from a tree. He wondered why objects always fall to the ground and began studying the force that control motion. Newton also created the important law of motion that explain how objects move. These laws are still used today in physics and engineering. In addition, Newton developed calculus, which is an important part of mathematics used in science and technology.
Isaac Newton is known as one of the most influential scientists in history. One of the greatest achievements was writing a book called Is Principia. In this book, he explained the laws of motion and gravity. These ideas help scientists understand how planets move and how works in nature. Isaac Newton also studied light and color. He discovered that white light is made of many different colors. Because of their great contribution, Newton became an expert science and was later knighted by the Queen of England.
In conclusion, Isaac Newton was a brilliant scientist who made many important contributions to science. His discoveries in physics, mathematics, and astronomy changed the way people understand the world and the universe. Even today, students and scientists still study his theories and laws. Isaac Newton died on March 31, 1727, but his ideas and discoveries continue to influence modern science. We can learn from Newton that curiosity, hard work, and dedication can lead to great discoveries. Thank you for your attention.